A guardian ad litem is a licensed attorney in the state of Virginia who is appointed by the court to represent the best interests of the child. They're appointed in the juvenile court. There is a list of court-approved guardian ad litems. They can also be appointed by the circuit court judge if it is a divorce where custody and visitation is an issue, or if it was an appeal of a custody and visitation matter from the juvenile court that a guardian ad litem was not appointed down in the juvenile court. You can have a guardian ad litem appointed by the circuit court judge, and their client is the child or children. So that is who they represent. So actually there's no confidentiality between mom and the guardian ad litem, dad and the guardian ad litem. They do not represent either parent. So anything that the parent tells a guardian ad litem is not confidential. And that's different from your relationship with your attorney. What you tell your attorney is confidential. The general rule is that they keep the information from the child confidential because they also want to build that rapport with the child so that the child is comfortable with them. They do their investigation and they make a recommendation to the court. The rule is that the recommendation is to be written report to be filed 5 days before the hearing. In the recommendation, what the guardian ad litem does is they advise the judge what they've done so far, what records they've reviewed, who they've spoken with, and they also go through the best interests of the child factors under the code 20-124.3. Those are the 10 factors that the court considers when making a determination of custody and or visitation. And the guardian ad litem is going to go through each factor based on their investigation, based on what they've uncovered, and give their points on each factor. And ultimately, they make a recommendation to the court as to the ultimate issue of custody and visitation. Whether Johnny lives with his mom, whether Susie visits with her mother during the summer, they make that recommendation to the court.